All right, here we are underneath Buddy's Mopar. Trans is leaking out of the rear seal. So, of course, we're gonna pull the drive shaft out and see how we end up. Curious to see if that yoke has some wear in it too. Might need a speedy sleeve or something, but we'll go ahead and pull that. Let's see what we got. All right, so here we are on Chris's drive shaft, Mr. Bunny as we call him. Need to install this speedy sleeve. So as you can see, there's wear right here. So we're gonna be putting this on, getting the speedy sleeve on, and then I need to change this U-joint as well, as it has quite a bit of play in it. And there we go. One speedy sleeve. Check. All right. There's our seal. It's all nice and in. With our sleeve. Ready to go put our drive shaft up back there. And we'll be done. Yay. Voila.